How we doing, everybody? It's Gevorg, aka the Gooner Collector, back here again with another video. And today is something I am super excited about, probably more excited about this one product than I have been about anything else, even Panini Premier League actually. Court Kings is my favorite looking product out there. It is a product that I watch the most openings of. It has some of the coolest stuff in there. It has a super high ceiling. And, you know, regardless of what's in here, I know for a fact I'm going to get a bunch of really good looking cards. That is a guarantee. But before I do that, I have a couple of singles here to open. Not exactly sure what's in this one because it's been sitting around for so long I actually forgot about it. But let's go ahead and open this one first. All right. Interesting packaging here. What do we have here? What do we have? Okay. They wrapped it in like weird index cards, but it is an insert, NBA Hoops insert of Nikola Jokic. All right, it's a Prism Hoops premium stock. Yeah, I think this was just something I got for like $3 or $4 off eBay. Good looking card though. There it is. We'll put them here. And we got another card. This one I think I do know what it is because it arrived just earlier this week. It's in some cardboard. All right, let's get that out of the way. And there we go. There's our boy. Luka Doncic, future of the league. Best player in the league in my opinion. He'll get his MVP soon. Just needs, you know, someone that's not Porzingis as his number 2 option. All right, cool. We'll leave those two there. And let's take a look at Court Kings. So, Court Kings. Awesome looking product. It's a 10 card box. It's a box that has 1 pack in it. So it is a little bit on the higher end. It's not like super high end, like impeccable or flawless, but it's definitely higher end than most of the stuff I've been opening. So 1 pack in here, it's got 10 cards, guaranteed 1 autograph, 1 memorabilia card, and some of the best looking inserts in all the sports cards are in the set. Some super rare ones. Don't know how well you can see that, but these are like case hits. Like maybe one every case has one of these. An Aurora, I know that's a case hit. Le Cinque Puibel, that's another awesome looking case hit. And then there's a bunch of different rookie options. Cool thing about the rookies in this set is they are in 4 tiers. So there's a tier 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 obviously being the rarest. So if you get a tier 4 rookie, it's definitely something worth a lot. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. And I'm super excited right now. I'm gonna have some fun. Now, with this product, I'm not gonna just rip open a pack and then go through the cards because it's only 1 pack. So, all right, let's take a look here. There it is. There is our 1 pack. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just move the camera a little bit. All right. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the cards, not look at them. I'm just gonna put them behind here, and we're gonna unveil them 1 card at a time. All right. So I'm gonna do my best not to look at anything that is in here. If I can open it. All right. Okay. So. All right, fingers crossed, guys. Let's hope for something huge here. I believe, as far as I can, from what I've seen, first card's usually something base. right. And we got, yep, it's a base TJ Warren. Nothing special. Second card. Is a base Paul George. Right, so like I said, these are really awesome looking cards. Very like artsy. That's 2 cards. The next one, once again, another base, John Wall. Promise I did not see what this is. We got 4th card, also base, Karl Anthony Towns. This one is numbered out of 25. 24 out of 25. You can see it's got a little blue marker here. Everything else had, gold colored. So yeah. Next card here. All right. This is a jersey card of Denny Adija. All right. Don't know much about him. Let me know if that's a good one. All right. Our autograph is Sekou Doumbouya of the Pistons. And it's numbered, which is good. Numbered out of 99. 71 out of 99. All right, 4 cards left. All right, it's a rookie insert. It's a good one to get. Desmond Bane. Desmond Bane. Works in progress. It's a good looking card. Works in progress. It looks like almost as they started coloring him in and they drew him and it's got like a sketch in the bottom. Nice card. All right. Points in the Paint. Points in the Paint of Kawhi Leonard. It's one of the insert sets. All right, last 2 cards. We got a rookie. This is rookie card of Precious Achiuwa. And which tier is this? How do we know? Oh, okay. That's tier 3. It's a good one to get. So rookies 3. All right, that's not bad. That's probably the best card we pulled so far. Tier 3, Precious Achiuwa, rookie. And finally, all right, good. Another good rookie to get, Alexei Pokusevski. This is a tier 1. So, not as good. Rookies 1. That Precious is definitely the most valuable card we pulled here. Definitely the best one. All right. So, did I get the cards I wanted to get? No. Definitely no Luka in here. No LaMelo or Anthony Edwards. But getting a tier 3 of a solid rookie is not bad at all. I'll obviously don't know what this one's worth. I'll have to look at some comps online. But yeah, not bad. I'll take a tier 3. Overall, bit of a letdown in terms of what I was hoping for, but I obviously have, I always, hype myself up that I'm going to get the best cards possible. So anything below that is always a bit of a letdown. But yeah, Tier 3, Precious Achiuwa rookie card. Alexei Pokusevsky rookie card. Kawhi Leonard, points and then paid insert. Desmond Bane, works in progress. Sekou Doumbouya, holding court signatures, numbered out of 99. Denny Avdija, Art Nouveau. Karl-Anthony Towns, numbered out of 25. And then 3 base cards of TJ Warren, PG3, PG13, and John Wall. All right, so that's it for Court Kings. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.